Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to enable private servers on your own Roblox game. All right, so what you need to do is open on any browser on your PC and go to roblox.com. Once you're in, you need to be signed in like I am. And you need to go to create here on the upper part of the screen. You can see discover marketplace create in Roblox. So go to create. And here in create, you need to tap on creations here under home on the left side. And in creations, you're going to see your creations, right? So most of the time, well, all the time, there's going to be a default place that you have once you create a Roblox account. And what you need to do is hover your cursor. You're going to see edit in studio and 3 dots. So click on the 3 dots. A pop-up will appear and you need to tap on configure experience. Now, once you configure your experience, you need to scroll down and you're going to tap on allow private servers. Now, once you've done that, you will be able to enable private servers on your Roblox games. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.